Hey, what's up, Reef Finance holder? What's going on this time? You can see here last 7 days change occurring, and you can see here the highest price, and then you can see the current price. Everything is on the screen, my friend, and absolutely, it's really huge pump now, my friend. You can see a tag now in last 7 days, my friend, because all crypto market is incompatible, very badly falls down. Shiba Inu is completely go to the garbage, my friend. But this time the refinance is comfortable coin and completely go to the moon now. This time they will never face down. So therefore I love refinance because my brother, everybody knows this too. This is and every condition they will moving upward. Not my friends just only when promote this coin like Shiba Inu coin, then they coin will starting moving upward. Yes, my brother, this coin is does not need my friend any promotion because this is comfortable coin and people are starting investing very highly. So therefore I think refinance is one of the unique coin. They will give you a profit in this time, my friend. So please try to understand, holder, if you earn money from in very short time from crypto, I think you will need, my friends, to invest now and refinance. I hope, my friends, they will give you a very good profit. So refinance price will be increasing when a holder are starting investing, when a holder are starting buying. Otherwise, my friend, refinance holder will never wake up and never get a profit. So please, this time you can see, my friend, I am going to show you the last 3 days chart. This is very important for all of you. So in last 3 days, 23.33%. Oh my goodness, it is unbelievable change occur, my friend. You can see here and very huge profit. And last 24 hour plus 11.49%, my friend. You can see the price is pumps up. So therefore, I think it's really good news for all of you. To this time, the price will be pumps up. Refinance holder, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, and yes, my brother, please press the bell icon for videos notification. This is very important for me, for everyone. Allah Hafiz, take care. The very huge pump is coming soon. The last days of every month, every coin will wake up. So therefore you will need, my friends, to wait for a good time. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.